So we're tearing up an old porch, and if you need to know how to pull a post up out of the ground, David's going to show you. He always comes up with something. So what is that thing, babe?
High lift.
The high lift. And he's got it right under the edge there. And he is going to jack that post up. Look how easily that's working out there. He did the other side, and when he did that, I was like, somebody else might need to know this. And you think, well, that probably ain't no big deal, but wait till you see how deep these posts are in the ground. They was making sure that this porch was not moving. He don't need me to do anything except stay out of the way right now, so that's what we're gonna do. So we done up one side. Look at this. Where is it? Right there, look. Watch it. Right there. As he lifts that side, this side. And then he'll do it in the middle. But this is all bad wood, so we're going ahead and burning it. See, it's bad wood. We couldn't reuse none of this. And we're going to build a porch next weekend, so we got to get this area prepped. And there you have it. We got the post up out of the dirt with the, what was that thing? The high lift jack.